So, somehow, I was doing my schoolwork and, my mom came in the room and she said Nim died, and my heart was broke because Nim meant a lot of me, and if you don't know who Nim is, it's my papa's dog, and when we went over to go see her dead, her mouth was open a little, and she died, peacefully in her sleep, and I could tell my papa was a little sad, and I was crying. I was like, I want to get out of here. I just want to go cry with no one seeing. I cried and cried, and then when Papa lifted her up, that just made me sad. I thought she was sleeping, but no, she actually died, and it meant a lot to me, and yeah, that's what just happened. So I just wanted to share this with you guys so you guys know what's going on, and this is story time. But my dad, and she was only 40 years old and she died in her sleep. Oh, yeah, I said that. But she was only 40 years old, and yeah, I'm really sad.